In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a date picker in Power BI Desktop, a really handy tool for dynamic data exploration. Whether you're building a dashboard or simply analyzing specific time periods, a date picker enhances your ability to filter data sets effectively. Let's dive right in and see how you can easily implement this in your Power BI reports. First, you want to add a slicer visual to your report. This is done by heading over to the Visualizations pane, which is usually on the right side of your interface. From there, you will notice a range of visual options, and what you're looking for is the slicer icon. Simply click on it, and a new slicer visual will appear on your report canvas. With your slicer visual ready, navigate to the data pane also on the right. You'll see various fields and columns from your imported data. Look for the column that contains your date data, as this is what you'll use to configure your slicer. Click and hold this date field, then drag it over to your slicer visual on the canvas and drop it there. You'll notice that your slicer now becomes a date picker, displaying default or minimum range options. Next, you'll want to customize the appearance and functionality of your date picker. Start by clicking directly on the visual. Once it's selected, you should see several options on the Visualizations pane above. Look for the icon that says Format Visual, often represented by a paint roller. Click on it to access the formatting options for your slicer. Here, you have the flexibility to further refine how your date picker behaves and looks. You'll find options to enable or disable the slicer functionality. Usually, you'll want to keep it enabled for user interaction. Moreover, you can choose from different style modes, such as before, after, or between. Selecting these options will alter the slicer to display dates that are before a specific date, after a specific date, or between two dates, respectively. This allows users of your report to narrow down data to only the most relevant time periods. And here's the really neat feature. As you adjust your dates within the picker, watch as the data on your page updates on the fly. It's a fantastic way to see how various time frames impact your data set, all in real time, and greatly enhances user engagement with your report. Don't forget to save your changes once you're satisfied with the setup. So, that's all there is to it. You've successfully added a dynamic date picker to your Power BI desktop report, empowering you to filter and explore your data by specific time frames effortlessly. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial makes your Power BI experience even more productive and insightful.